Let's look at this problem given to me by one of my students at Oyo State University. The following data shows the scores of 20 students in a math test. 15, 20, down to this. Construct a frequency polygon. To get the frequency polygon, we must first get the frequency distribution table. So to do that, this number they are voluminous. So let us group it. Let us group it. So let our score interval or class interval as the case may be. Score interval. We have, let's do from 10 to 19. Then we have 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59. Okay, we have up to 65. Then 60 to 69. So the next thing, let's look at our class boundary. Class boundary. Because to get the frequency polygon, we must first get the construct histogram. So let's look at the class boundary, then the frequency. Good. So to get the class boundary, it's just simple. Subtract, add 1 to the lower class interval and subtract 1 from the upper class interval. So if you subtract, not 1, I mean to say 0.5, 0.5. So here will give us 9.5 to, what do you have now? 19.5. If you subtract 0.5 here, that's equal to 19.5. If you look at it, this lap with this, so that our histogram can be correct, to 29.5. Subtract 0.5 here, 29.5 to 39.5. Similarly, 39.5 to 49.5. Then 49.5, then add 0.5 to this, you have 59.5. Then subtract 0.5 from the lower one, will still give us this back, 59.5 to 69.5. Haven't got it that. Let's count the frequency now. Between 10 to 19, what do we have? Between 10 to 19, we start from 15, 1, just 1, you put it. Between 20 to 25, 29, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 29, no other one, 4, we keep it there. Between 30 to 39, what do we have? 30, this 1, 35, 2, 30, 3, 35, 4 to 39. Okay, 4 again. Then we now have 40 to 49. You count. 1, 2, 3, 4, still 4, you drop it down. With 50 to 59, we have 1, 2, 55, 2, 3, 4, everything 4, 4. We have 4. 60 to 69, 60, we have 1, 2, 3, 3. To check whether you are correct with this frequency table, check 4, 4, 4, 4, 16, then 17, 20. 20 students is correct. So we have gotten the frequency table. You are now going to plot construct the histogram. Construct the histogram, then you join all the midpoints of the histogram to get your frequency polygon. So to construct the histogram, let's make use of our graph. Let's make use of our graph. So let me take the to where we have our graph. To where we have our graph. So please bear with me. The space that I have where we have our graph. So let's look at our graph. Let me use this portion of the graph. You construct. So let's see how it goes. With the highest frequency, this side is frequency. This side is our the class boundary or score boundary. So let's use score boundary better. Let's use score boundary. So that side is score boundary because they gave us score boundary. This side is score boundary. So the let's just use one, two, three, four. We have maximum of four. We have maximum of four. Four is the highest frequency there. So the class boundary, we have oh, okay. The class boundary, let this one be what is the first one there? 9.5. 9.5 to 19.5. 19.5. So let's bring it that. How many is that? 1. You're going to draw it. Then the other one, 19.5 to 29.5. 19.5 to here is 29.5. What is the higher value there? 29.5? 4. So you take this one to 4. Here you have 4. This is 4. You drop it there. Then again, 29.5 to 39.5. 39.5. So the same 4. Then we still have 39.5 to 49.5. 39.5 to 49.5. Still the same 4. This one is funny. Still the same 4. And then we have 49.5 to 59.5. 59.5. We still have the same 4. Then we have 59.5 to 69.5. 69.5. That one is theory. So this is theory. 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 So with this, you join all the midpoints. All the midpoints. The midpoint of the you join all the midpoints. So all this one is a straight line. You join all the midpoints. So it look like this. It comes straight, and from here to the midpoint, you join all the midpoints with a ruler. So for this particular question, these are the frequency polygon will go. This is how we go. If you like to straight it, that is how we go for this. So I'm going to solve the other two right away. Thank you.